Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term WYG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, WYG is shorthand for what you get, used to describe outcomes or consequences. People use it when they want to emphasize that the result is exactly what was expected given the circumstances. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. WIG first showed up in the early 2000s as internet slang and quickly spread into everyday talk, especially among texters and online chat users. Now let's check out how to use YG in a sentence. Correct example 1. I wasn't surprised by the result. Honestly, it was just WIG after all that effort. Correct example 2. She complained about her grades, but really, YG after skipping class so much. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said WIG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using WIG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap means shorthand for what you get, used to describe outcomes or consequences. It started in the early 2000s internet slang scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with WIG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.